Hello everyone, this time we're gonna make Jamaican Jerk Chicken. For Jamaican Jerk Chicken, you're gonna need a lot of spices. As you can see here, we've got lemons, we've got cinnamon, some crushed peppers, nutmeg, allspice, which is the star ingredient for this dish, as well as pepper, star anise, some garlic, cloves, and Szechuan pepper. We've got some soy sauce here, oil, and other garnishing greens on the side. Probably this is one single most dish that's gonna need a lot of spices, more than your usual chickens or other wings and beef or pork. But it's gonna taste amazing. It's got that zingy, sour taste to it, which complements the allspice flavor. The reason why we have cinnamon and nutmeg and star anise, Szechuan pepper, cloves is that normally you'd mix allspice with Scott's bonnet pepper and Chinese 5-spice blend, but we don't have Chinese 5-spice blend at home right now, so we're just gonna make our own Chinese 5-spice blend, and let's see how it goes. So chicken's into a bowl, any part of the chicken, your choice. First, red pepper flakes in. Normally you'd want to use Scotch bonnet pepper, but we don't have it right now, so we just substitute it with red pepper flakes. Next, allspice powder. Be generous. So we're gonna put a lot of spices in here, so it's important that you add little bits of spices. Now pepper. Time for nutmeg. Next we're gonna put in some cloves. You need to lightly crush the clove before putting it in. 3 is enough. Next, time for Szechuan pepper. And garlic. Time for some star anise. Little goes long for star anise, so you don't need to put much. Followed by some soy sauce. And we're gonna add in some Scotch bonnet hot sauce, but we don't have any Scotch bonnet hot sauce, so we're just gonna substitute it with Tabasco. And then you might want to add in some lemon juice, but then we're just gonna squeeze it after we cook it, so I guess I'm gonna stop here for now. And next, we're gonna slice some scallions. Now we mix them and wait until they marinate. Okay, so if the spices or other ingredients start to burn, just take them off from the pan and remove it. We've finished our Jamaican jerk chicken with some red pepper flakes, scallions, and peanut chilies. Usually you need to put some Scotch bonnet pepper and something that's more authentic and exotic, but then if you have hard time getting that ingredient, then just substitute it with something else that has similar taste. So yeah, we've finished cooking our Jamaican jerk chicken, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.